Beautiful people. Hey, guys, welcome. Man, and you know what? It's so exciting. I've got Petra, I've got Pete, and I've got Eli here. And we're just busy preparing and coming up with some strategies and some ways that we can really make Thursday night, the 29th, massively impactful for you. So I'm looking at this, and guys, do you realize of all the coaches, we've got 5 published authors, we've got 3 award-winning coaches, and a combined amount of about 65 years of knowledge and wisdom and education combined from all the coaches in one place. I mean, how does it get even better than that? What else?
Absolutely.
Really, this is the play. If people can't get that, we can't help them. We can't help them. But let's quickly strategize. I want to send this post out to everybody so they can get a little taster of what is to come on Thursday, because we're doing a different one. And Eli, you and I have shared stage before, and Petra, you joined. Pete, for the first time, welcome, man. But we decided to do something different and give you guys, the audience, the people, to not be a spectator, but to participate and ask your question. So I'm going to ask these 3 wonderful people each a question. I'm going to see if I can catch them out. Let's have a look. So the first question is, and this one I'm going to drop Petra. Why should people join on Thursday? What's in it for them?
So I think it's the opportunity to just gain or increase and expand your perspective. So many times we get so stuck in the way of doing things and we don't know what we don't know. And getting a collective of just this beautiful, eclectic, diverse group of coaches that specialize in different areas, that have got different experiences, that can add so much value and input into, perhaps where you're getting stuck, perhaps those blind spots you have in your life that you haven't been able to shift. And even if we're all saying the same thing, sometimes there's a little nugget that will enlighten where you are, maybe where you want to go, move you to a place that you don't even know that you wanted to be in, but just really unlock limitations maybe that are holding you back. So
Unlock
I think
limitations. I love that. Unlock limitations. So Manik, thank you, man. Yeah, that is so, we all get stuck in this way. But we've got Pete here. Now, for those who don't know Pete's got his own podcast. He's got a huge following. He's a published author. So he can't be getting roadblocks. I mean, this guy knows everything. Am I right? What are your biggest challenges that you have? What do you mean no?
Well, and I think this is what we all bring to the table, is that we're not just coaches, we're humans, right? And the reason we got into this, and the reason what we're offering up our expertise in this kind of a forum, is to share our obstacles, our challenges, and the tools that we've learned through other coaches, other mind leaders, thought leaders, to overcome those obstacles. We're just like you, just like everybody else out there. We have challenges. Some of those challenges are consistency. Some of those challenges are unexpected events happening that derail us from where we want to go. But we know how to unstuck ourselves, right? And I think that's what Petra is saying earlier, is that come here tonight, come join us, ask those questions. Everybody has a different perspective on how to get from point A to point B in a more efficient and easier way. That's what we're here for. And that's what I can't wait to share.
Get to where you want to be in an easier and more efficient way. Powerful stuff. That's a massive nugget. That one is a massive nugget. So I'm going to turn over to our mindfulness coach down here, Mr. Eli Javits, the guy with the mind and the subconscious. Eli, if there was one thing that you personally think you need to do more of to become that person that you aspire to be, what would that be? Share one thing.
Well, one of the greatest things that I learned is that it's 95% mindset, 5% is the actual action or what we do. So when people try harder, doing more, pushing harder, that is not the solution. It's going internal and it's working on our mindset. I mean, it's been proven that 90% of our thoughts throughout the day, which we think 50, 60, 70,000 thoughts a day, are a repeat of yesterday, the day before that, the day before that. So literally, it's like Groundhog's Day inside the mind. So if we're used to looking at a certain problem we have in our life or a challenge that's not getting us to our goal, and whether it's the bills or the government or the family or the kids, well, that chatter keeps coming in back in every single day. So the problem doesn't go away. The blocks don't go away. You keep repeating them. And the only way to make a change of that is to join something like the workshops that we're doing, especially if you have a collaboration of so many different coaches with different modalities that are able to throw in something that might help you change that 90% repeat of the same thought, expecting different result.
Eli, I know what I thought yesterday, and most of it wasn't good. And you're telling me that I'm actually repeating 90% of that. And majority of that was probably negative already. Man, I need this. I need this now. And I need to put it on repeat and play. If I play it back at night while I'm sleeping, do you think it'll slowly get into the brain a little bit more?
Right.
Amazing, guys. Thank you so much. This is the nuggets, and there's a lot more where this came on. So, ladies and gents, the place to be Thursday night. Well, in South Africa, it's Thursday night. It might be Friday morning in Australia, where some people are joining from very early, or early morning, mid-morning California. We are from 3 different countries, sharing to you 7 p.m. South Africa time. It's a free workshop, but the value is absolutely mind-blowing. See you all then. Thanks a lot for joining us, and good night.
Thank you.